You can expect a lot from the 2017 Ram 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck has just over 15,000 kilometers. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, heated door mirrors, and power windows. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.